you want to do a nice job of eating buns to buns. Now, well, now listen, you little buns to buns, what am I going to do with you? Okay. Everybody's on to go. You got one thing. Just remember, guys, down to two, down to two, down to two, down to two. Hold her up, hold her up, hold her up. Down to two. Just remember, you're not at the Indianapolis 500. You're in the ring, so just remember that. Mike Baines, there goes Mike going, Mike Baines going with his little bobcat. So we're down to Crystal still hanging in. And Denny LaPointe is still hanging in.
Well, that was 3
over and get the other one straightened out too. Got one over the far side as well. Yeah, he's just straightening up the furniture here. Is that Bud over there? That's Kelly? That's a good place for him. He's gonna kill me. I suppose he was over there, suppose his little woman was over there, Bud was wanting to look over there and see where she was, probably. Kelly, you should have been driving. You have to teach Bud. Yeah, next year? Okay. Is that a promise? Okay. Kelly, from where it's it says, I'm driving next year. Little clapping, yeah, sure. You talked your way right into it and I helped you. Boy, I'm proud. How you doing, Crystal? You okay? Good girl, good girl. Denny, you all right in there? No, he's fine. He says, I'm fine, Elf. We just got to get Bud looked after here. Kelly, get over there and look after Bud, will you? She'll teach you how to drive later. Thanks, Bud. A good sport he used to be.
So I went on the sport here.
Good, doesn't it? Okay. We got it. Thank you very much, Dad. Sometimes we need these little extra things in here, you know, so we know that's Buff Bud. Now I heard something really good, Bud. I also heard You got a purple truck. Ooh, right up my alley. Purple truck from Buff Bud, right up my alley. Mo's just checking over. You all right, Mo? You ready to go? You let me know what you want. They want to fight it out for first place. Don't forget, first, second, yep, first, second, third will advance the feature. They want to fight it out. Okay, there we go. You got a gal out there, you got 20 Denny of them with the babies, and you got 3 3/4. Denny in a point out of Kingston. Oh, Denny. Denny, she likes to drive. Her dad, Denny says I like to drive too, well. Now here comes Chris. Oh, honey, wrong way. You just spoke at him. Of course, I'm not sure it's the girls, but go, Chris, go, go. Go, Denny. You got a Kingston Vipers and a City's Bay gal. I got to do this. I get the reverse, honey. Okay. That a girl. She can spin on a dime, too. I'll go back up here. Oh, he's trying to get Denny lined up. Come on, Crystal. Oh, Denny, what you doing, honey? Denny likes to move all furniture. Don't matter if it's in your house or in the derby ring. I'll move it. Okay, Crystal, how you doing? Hey, one, yep. Oh, Crystal. Oh, Crystal. Oh, Crystal. Keep her going, Denny. Keep her going. Keep her going. Down to 2. Keep her going, Crystal. Add a girl. Add a girl. Crystal and your little babies. Yeah, they wanted to fight it out. None of them wanted to take first. We want to fight it out. Come on, Crystal, go visit Denny again. Denny says, my Lord, where did you find her? You ready, Denny? She coming to visit you. And you'll notice you watch the fibers and go hit the door. Doing a good job. Go, Crystal. Over, give it a little shot. Girls don't rock. Way to go! And a boy, Denny. Denny has put on a good show out there. Come on, Crystal, climb out and give us a little dance. Yay! Now look at Denny. See, Denny was even applauding her. And a boy, Denny. Denny, you can do a little dance too. That's women want to get up there and do a little dance. Don't be shy. Crystal, go around and shake your hand, Dan. She's right behind you. Okay, Mo, I need to know who is in third, Mo.